3D robot arm building block kit build, control, and explore the world of robotics with this advanced RC robot arm model building kit, designed for curious minds and future engineers. This educational construction set combines hands-on building fun with smart remote control technology and programmable features for an exciting STEM learning experience. Featuring detailed mechanical structures, movable joints, and AP/RC control functions, this robot arm delivers a realistic engineering experience while encouraging creativity, problem solving, and technical thinking. Kids and adults alike can enjoy assembling the robotic arm, then operate it to perform lifting, grabbing, and rotating actions just like a real industrial robot. Incredible MOC technical dribbling device GBC Harp Track model, designed for builders who love mechanical motion and STEM-inspired creations. This dynamic building block set features an exciting ball lift and transmission system that keeps the action moving non-stop. With intricate gears, moving tracks, and smooth mechanical dribbling functions, this model delivers a satisfying hands-on building experience while demonstrating real engineering principles. The automated ball circulation system creates a mesmerizing chain reaction display, making it perfect for both play and desktop decoration. Built from high-quality bricks with precise fitting, this technical model offers durability and smooth operation once assembled. Whether you're a fan of GBC, great ball contraption, systems, mechanical engineering models, or advanced building block projects, this set is a fun and rewarding challenge for kids, teens, and adult hobbyists alike. Camping fan with light. Rechargeable portable tent ceiling fan with 8,000 mAh battery. Stay cool and comfortable wherever your adventure takes you with this multifunctional camping fan with light. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this portable ceiling cooler fan combines powerful airflow, bright LED lighting, and long-lasting battery performance in one compact device. Perfect for camping, fishing, travel, hiking, picnics, RV trips, emergency outages, and outdoor canopies. The built-in 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended working time, keeping you cool for hours without needing constant. Travel smarter and pack more with this innovative vacuum compression travel backpack designed for modern adventurers, business professionals, and students. Featuring a built-in one-click start pump vacuum compression system, this backpack helps maximize storage space while keeping your belongings organized, secure, and easy to carry. Whether you're heading on a business trip, weekend getaway, hiking adventure, or daily commute, this expandable backpack delivers the perfect combination of style, functionality, and durability. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant materials, the backpack is built to withstand daily wear and outdoor conditions. The advanced vacuum compression design allows you to reduce the volume of clothes and soft items, making it easier to fit more essentials without carrying bulky luggage. Bring the power of aviation engineering to your desktop with this exciting aircraft engine building kit, designed for builders, hobbyists, and future engineers. This 635-piece STEM model recreates the look and movement of a real aircraft engine in a compact and interactive design, featuring both motorized and hand-rocker drive modes. This mini-engine model lets you watch the mechanical parts move just like a real turbine engine, perfect for learning basic engineering concepts while enjoying a rewarding hands-on building experience. Compatible with major building brick systems, including Lego-style airplane sets. This kit is ideal for display, collecting, or combining with other aviation-themed models. Handheld duty spiralizer vegetable slicer. Transform fresh vegetables into healthy, delicious spirals in seconds with this compact and easy-to-use handheld spiralizer. Perfect for making zucchini noodles, cucumber ribbons, curly fries, carrot spirals, and creative salad toppings. This kitchen gadget helps you prepare low-carb meals and fun dishes effortlessly. Make meal prep fast and effortless with this 250 megaliters electric meat grinder and garlic chopper. Designed for everyday kitchen convenience, this compact yet powerful food processor easily chops garlic, onions, vegetables, meat, nuts, and more in seconds. The sharp stainless steel blades provide quick and even cutting, while the one-touch operation makes it simple to use for cooking, meal prep, and sauce making. Its portable and lightweight design is perfect for small kitchens, home cooking, travel, or camping use. The durable food-grade container ensures safe food preparation, and the detachable parts make cleaning easy after use. Whether you need finely chopped garlic, minced meat, or sliced vegetables. This multifunctional kitchen accessory helps save time and effort in the kitchen. Features: 250 megaliters compact capacity for daily food preparation, powerful electric motor for fast chopping and grinding, sharp stainless steel blades for efficient cutting, one-touch operation for easy use, suitable for meat, garlic, onions, vegetables. The LMETJMA electric cheese grater JT363 is a compact and powerful kitchen tool designed to make food preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Equipped with a 40W motor, this portable salad maker effortlessly grates, slices, and shreds a variety of ingredients in seconds, saving time and effort in the kitchen. It comes with 4 interchangeable blade attachments that allow you to create different shapes and textures. Perfect for cheese, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and more. Whether you're preparing fresh salads, pizza toppings, coleslaw, or garnishes, this rotary slicer delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Bring traditional winemaking and fresh juice preparation into your home with this manual grape and apple crushing machine. Designed for effortless fruit processing, this sturdy 7L crusher is ideal for grapes, apples, pears, and other soft fruits, making it perfect for homemade wine, cider, jams, and natural juices. Built with durable materials and a user-friendly hand crank design, it allows you to crush large batches of fruit quickly without electricity. The wide hopper ensures easy loading, while the strong crushing mechanism efficiently breaks down fruit to extract maximum juice and pulp. Its 7-liter capacity makes it suitable for home use, small farms, and hobby winemakers who want fresh, natural results without additives or preservatives. The stable base provides safe operation, and the simple structure makes it easy to clean and maintain after use. Whether you're starting your first homemade wine project or preparing fresh fruit juice for your family, this manual fruit crusher offers a reliable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly solution. Vegetable spiralizer with 5 stainless steel blades, veggie spiral slicer and pasta maker transform fresh vegetables into delicious spiral noodles, curly fries, and healthy pasta alternatives with this multifunctional vegetable spiralizer. Designed with 5 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it lets you create different cutting styles effortlessly for salads, stir-fries, garnishes, and creative meals. Perfect for zucchini, carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, and more. This spiral slicer makes healthy cooking fast, fun, and convenient. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip and safe operation. Keep your kitchen knives razor sharp with this rolling knife sharpener kit, designed for effortless and precise sharpening at home. Featuring an innovative rolling design, it allows you to restore blade edges smoothly without the need for professional skills. The built-in magnetic angle guide offers 2 sharpening positions, 15 degrees and 20 degrees. Making it suitable for both ultra-sharp Japanese-style knives and durable Western-style kitchen knives. Crafted for convenience and consistency, this sharpener ensures the correct angle. Stainless steel cheese grater, slicer, lemon zester, and vegetable cutter upgrade your kitchen experience with this multifunctional stainless steel grater and slicer tool. Designed for everyday cooking, this handy kitchen gadget effortlessly grates cheese, zests lemons, shaves chocolate, peels fruits. This powerful commercial electric toast slicer, designed for fast, precise, and uniform slicing of bread, ham, sausages, sandwiches, and more. Built with durable stainless steel construction and equipped with 31 sharp cutting blades, this food processor delivers clean, even cuts every time. Perfect for bakeries, restaurants, cafes, delis, and home kitchens. The high-efficiency slicing system saves time and effort while improving food presentation and consistency. Its sturdy design ensures long-lasting performance, while the easy-to-clean structure makes daily operation simple and convenient. Whether you're preparing toast, sandwich loaves, luncheon meat, or soft food items, this versatile slicer provides smooth operation with professional-grade results. Spiral potato cutter. Creative twisted potato tower slicer. Turn ordinary potatoes into fun and eye-catching spiral snacks with this creative spiral potato cutter. Designed for quick and easy slicing, this handy kitchen tool helps you make delicious twisted potato towers, curly fries, and decorative fruit or vegetable spirals in minutes. Perfect for home cooking, parties, BBQs, street-style snacks, and creative food presentations. Made with durable materials and an easy-to-use design, The cutter creates uniform spiral slices effortlessly while saving preparation time. Suitable for potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, zucchinis, and other firm vegetables or fruits. Versatile stainless steel wire planer, slicer and ginger grater. Designed for quick, effortless cutting and shredding, this multifunctional tool helps you prepare vegetables, beans, ginger, garlic, and more with precision and ease. The sharp stainless steel blades deliver smooth slicing and efficient shredding while ensuring durability for long-term daily use. Its ergonomic and lightweight design provides a comfortable grip, making food preparation faster and safer. Perfect for home kitchens, restaurants, and cooking enthusiasts.